Hello, everybody, and welcome to Brothers Sing On the Future. In the past, I've uploaded videos from my phone of just me playing the piano or singing some parts for some of our songs. I wanted to take that idea and kind of expand on it, so I'm titling this The Future. What I did is I found a program online for free that I'm using to record these videos, record my laptop, and me speaking into it, playing piano and singing, and hopefully that will be able to enhance our musical experience. One of the first things I thought about when using a tool like this is the ability to be able to edit and talk to you about different things that I want to do, such as learning to read music. I think this could really be an enhancement, not only things we could talk about in rehearsal, but how to learn. I also thought with music, and as you can see here, I'm actually able to edit as we go. I can circle different lines. I can highlight different voice parts. We can zoom in and zoom out. There's really a lot of potential here with how we can learn, not only in rehearsals that we would normally have, but moving forward with how we read music, or we want to talk about a certain voice part. I think these are really good. This would be a really good tool for us to be able to use. So that's a few things I wanted to show you. We can switch different music. We can talk about what works best. I can draw on my laptop. Really, there's really a lot of potential here with what we can do with this easy screen tool. So right now I'm experimenting with all the possibilities and things I might be able to do to enhance our rehearsals and how we learn music together. I did want to show you, this is just my list of music I had stored in my garage essentially from when I taught in the public schools and when I was in University of Men's Glee Club over at UNI. We have a few of these things. You'll see Brothers are on there. This is my goal for all the music we have in the cabinets, to eventually put everything in by what you see up top with the titles, voice parts, how many copies we have, the language. So I'm really excited about just finding this new tool, and hopefully this will be able to enhance our experience together. Nothing fancy. I'm learning as we go too. I wanted to make it the best experience we can possibly have, and I thought if there's one thing I can add, or a couple things I can add, or write, or help us learn, then I definitely want to do that. So I hope that we have a great year. We learn a lot. We have a lot of fun. And just this little tool alone will be able to help us out and really enhance our experience together. So I appreciate you all watching. I hope you all had a fantastic new year. I will send an email out when we have rehearsal next. And stay safe, everybody. Have a great year.